Morphology explained. How clipping shortens words. Clipping, or morphology, is a way of creating new words by shortening the original word. You reduce a word by taking away some of it. This can be from the beginning, middle, or end of a word. For example, telephone becomes phone. Can somebody answer the phone? Refrigerator becomes fridge. The fridge is nearly empty. Spectacles become specs. I've lost my specs. Let's take a look at some more examples. Advertisement becomes ad. There are too many ads on this website. Application becomes app. Warning, 3 of your apps need updating. Demonstration becomes demo. Press menu, then select Demo 1 for configuration instructions. Examination becomes exam. My exams start tomorrow. I'm not prepared. Fabulous becomes fab. This burger looks fab. Information becomes info. Missing dog. £10 reward for any info. Introduction becomes intro. The intro is a bit short. Add a few more sentences. Kilogram becomes kilo. My dog weighs 10 kilos. Magazine becomes mag. Can you buy me a lad's mag in the shop? Photograph becomes photo. Let's look through an old family photo album. Professional becomes pro. I am a pro boxer. Referee becomes ref. I am the ref. My decision is final. And finally, teenager becomes teen. 21st century teens are so lazy. University becomes uni. I've just graduated from uni. Vegetarian becomes veggie. Veggie burger and fries is only $4.50. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more clipped words.